Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Camille Dior, and you clicked on this video, so you know why you're here. So we're gonna jump right into it. So I'm applying my nails onto my holders, like my nail stands, and it's just molding putty and command hooks that I got, and they were really affordable. So I'm just gonna put my nails onto the stand, and I've already measured them out so they fit my fingers perfectly. I'm gonna take my e-file and file the nail. You can use a buffer, but I like my e-file because it does the job really well and it's really quick for me to do. So I'm just gonna file the whole entire nail, and then the front of the nail comes with this little piece on it, so I'm just gonna file that down so it can maintain its coffin shape, and I'm just gonna do that to all of my nails. I like to go in with alcohol and a paper towel and just wipe off the nail so it can have a smooth application, like the gel can have a smooth application to the nail and actually adhere to it. I'm gonna apply one coat of base coat to each nail and then put it under the UV lamp for 60 to 90 seconds. And I'm just gonna do one layer of base coat. I'm gonna apply one layer of gel polish to my nail, and then I'm gonna set it underneath the UV lamp. And I end up doing 3 coats of gel polish because the color just wasn't thick to me. Like, it wasn't showing how it's coming out the bottle. Like, it applied differently, like it was light. You guys could kind of see it, like it looked white. But once I did the 3rd coat and then I put the top coat on there, it looks so good. Like, it looks so good, you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see the final result because I was flipping out. So yeah, so I'm gonna apply 3 coats and I'm gonna do that all over the nail except my 2 nails that I'm going to foil. I apply my foil gel to my last 2 nails, and I put a thin coat and I put them under the UV lamp for 60 to 90 seconds till they get tacky, and the tackiness will help the foil adhere to the nail. And if you guys are watching this video to learn, like, please make sure, if you don't take anything else out of this video, that you smooth down the foil. Smooth it down as smooth as you can get it, because you do not want it to not completely attach to the foil, to the nail. I had an issue a little bit where it didn't get the whole design on the foil and it was just a mess, and I had to go back and it was just but yeah, so after I smoothed it out and I got the design I wanted, I went ahead and I put the top coat on there. The only 2 nails that I have a regular top coat is going to be my 2 foil nails. The other pink nails, they got matte coat. They got a matte top coat. So the last thing I'm going to do is just shape the nail back up, give it its coffin shape again. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment and let me know what you guys think or thought of the video. And make sure you go check out my other videos. And I have a nail haul for beginners, so if you guys want to get some nail stuff yourself, you can definitely go check out that haul video and see all the supplies that I got. If you guys you know, if you have any questions, you guys can comment below or whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Stay tuned for more nail videos or whatever. I'll see you guys in my next video.